Hey guys, T here. So I just got the okay to stop at a property that I do some work on, and I actually have already completed the job, but I wanted to make sure that I can get there and show it to you because guys, I am so clever. This is not a fix, this is a rig for someone who might have a leaking tub. It's absolutely not a fix, and I don't even know how to title this video. So after you guys review it, if this has helped you, let me know, but also let me know what you guys think the video title should be, because it's not a fix, but it's a rig, and I know sometimes we all need to just do that temporarily, and that's the case with this property here. You know what, let's get there. All right guys, so this is what we're dealing with here. Got that little tub leak, and this, when I first started working on it, was not dripping this drastically. She has two problems here. So the first problem is that she has a drip, and the second problem is it cannot be fixed because the pipes are so old that in order to fix the problem, they would need to tear out the tiles, and her landlord is not that type of landlord, but all the tiles would need to be removed because they don't even make that size fitting anymore. So two plumbers came, and everyone, she said, at Home Depot and Lowe's, she brought the piece before, and they said, yep, they don't even make that size anymore. They don't even make it. So in any case, when you have a drip like this, it continually makes the area stay wet, right? And what does that do? It creates a mold and mildew, creates a really bad environment for your health, for the visual aesthetics. I mean, it just sucks. So what I needed to come up with was something to where the water could be contained, because if you see, it's, what is wrong with my camera today? I am so sorry guys. So there's water everywhere and it stays wet. So I mean, her tiles, even outside of the shower, end up getting very mildewy very quick, and that is just super bad. So what I came up with actually was using a large funnel. So you put the funnel here. So even though it's going to continue to drip, at least there's something to contain where the water goes. Now, the last time I came here, this is why I feel like I'm so clever and I had to share it with you guys, right? Is because when I came here last, when I used the restroom, I noticed that she wasn't using it. So I asked her and I was like, what's up? You know, why aren't you using it? And she said, because it keeps falling over and it won't stay. So what I did was brought my heat gun over and I warmed up the plastic back here, right? Just warmed it up until it got shiny. I used a heat gun, but if you don't have a heat gun, it'll take a little longer, but use a blow dryer. Blow dried it, and now I created a notch to actually fit right in there. So I heated it up, stuck this in, and pressed it so that way it would create that indentation. So at least there's something else that can grab onto it. So now that is a situation we should utilize it. Let's see if I can. My camera is so horrible today, and I apologize, but there you go. So, all right guys, that's it. I've got to get out of here. It is so hot. But just please remember to go down in the comment section below and let me know what you would title this video to be, and whatever I have it at and whatever I put it up at, I'll probably change it in the future. But until next time guys, I hope this helped you guys. If it has, please come back and let me know. Thank you. See you again.